Today we're going to talk about the letter L. Letter L. Capital L, lowercase l. L sounds like and if you could see, my tongue is up here. And I'm going, I'm actually kind of putting, L, L, like, love, Ladybug. They all start with L. Roxy's going to help me find some other things that start with the L, the letter L. Let's see. Oh, good one, Rox. Thanks. Ladder. Ladder. You can climb up a ladder. Maybe you've seen someone on a ladder. 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 This I have a lot of at home because I live in Costa Rica. So I have a lot of lotion. This is suntan lotion, so I don't get burned by the sun. Lotion. Can you say lotion? Lotion. Lotion. Maybe mommy or daddy puts lotion on you before you go to the beach or before you go to school. Lotion. I like this one. Love. I love you, Roxy. Roxy loves me. Love. When we see a heart, we think of love. Love. Can you say love? Say it 3 times with me. Ready? Go. Love, love, love. All you need is love. Roxy, help me out. We need another picture. Oh, I like this one, Rox. Leaves. Leaves. We see leaves on the trees outside. Leaves. Leaves. Oh, this is a good one, Roxy, because it makes me hungry for lunch. They are eating lunch. 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 There's breakfast, lunch, and dinner. And snacks. Lunch. Roxy, help me out. I need another. Oh, okay. We'll find that one. This goes with lunch. Lunch box. Do you have a lunch box? Maybe you bring it to school. Lunch box. What else, Roxy? Show me another. Oh, all right, that's a good one. Lion. 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 Can you say lion 3 times in a whisper with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3. Lion, 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 lion. And here we have a picture of what you see on the screen. Ladybug. Ladybug. Have you ever seen a real ladybug? Maybe outside of your house or at a park? Ladybug. It's a long word. I'll show it to you. Ladybug. Ladybug. So you can look around the house for some things that start with lights. Lights around your house start with What else? You gotta think. And maybe you can draw some things that start with the letter L. Maybe you can even make the capital L and a lowercase l. It's just a line. Line starts with L. It's just a line. That's a lowercase l. Almost looks like a 1, but it's an L. So look around your house, find some things that start with the letter L, and draw them, or just put them in a pile and name them. I can't wait to see what you found.